Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to activate Premier account on Counter-Strike 2. Make sure to follow this step-by-step process and understand what I'm trying to say. Now, if you talk about first of all like how to unlock Premier mode in CS2, this is basically Prime enabled. As you can see, if you want to do it, buying Prime status, which will cost you around $15 on your account. You can just buy the buying the Prime status, and once you do that, after that you will be able to do it. Now, the other thing is that you can try reaching level 10. So as you can see, attain level 10 in the game by racking up 5000 XP by playing different game modes. So you can just make sure to attain like 5000 XP by like reaching level 10. And the game modes that you can try is competitive, arm race, death match to improve aim and performance. However, you need to avoid private servers as you won't be getting any XP by playing there. So make sure to go into these games, into these categories or modes, rank up to rack up to 5000 XP and reach level 10. Once you reach level 10, after that you will be able to unlock your premier mode in CS2. So these are some simple tricks or some simple methods. Make sure to play the game as much as you can. Like different modes, different games. Some of the games might give you extra rack or extra XP. Like some modes might be able to give you like less XP. So depending on whatever games perform best, play the games, play the modes, and just attain the level 10, and after that you will be able to do it.